Getting off your motorcycle to make sure you're headed the right way, just to see that you missed a turn 2 miles back, is a thing of the past. A motorcycle phone mount works with your smartphone to feed you turn-by-turn directions and alert you to incoming notifications. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best motorcycle phone mount in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. If you're on a tight budget and don't encounter harsh weather, the Lamicall Bike Phone Holder is for you. I should know, I own one. Keeping your phone in place is a spring-loaded clamping system, which has soft rubber on the inside. You can easily pop your phone in and out using just one hand, and it'll accommodate phones between 4.7 to 6.8 inches. Once your phone is in the mount, you can secure it by flicking a switch at the back, which locks it in place. When this mount system is locked, your phone will stay tightly gripped. The ball and socket mechanism keeps my phone in place surprisingly well, even on my KTM Duke 390 with its little thumper. The only negative is that it's made almost entirely from plastic. Number 2. Roqueform Pro Series. If you fit your phone to the Roqueform Pro Series mount, it's not going anywhere. This model works with a Roqueform phone case, but if there is no Roqueform case for your phone, you can use a Roqueform mount adapter. The adapter fits on practically all phone cases. Unfortunately, the cases and adapters are sold separately. The primary form of security is a twist and lock system made from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel. A dual retention magnet works with a magnet in your case or adapter as a secondary form of security. As a final means of protection, you also get a lanyard. This mount is so secure that you can even use it when riding over rugged terrain. Since the system is so tight, the only problem is that vibrations coming from your bike's engine or the road could cause damage to your phone's camera. Number 3. Sena Power Pro. The Sena Power Pro was built to last, and it made me want to hit the road and start hunting state lines. Anyone who's used Sena headsets knows the brand doesn't skimp on quality, and the Power Pro phone mount is no exception. Every component is made of metal or high-strength plastic. The quick-release mechanism is secure and easy to use.The 10,000 mAh battery bank adds much-needed life to your phone's battery when you're hours deep into a cross-country road trip. Although this model is water-resistant, it's not waterproof, so be mindful if you're going to leave your bike in the rain. The handlebar attachment works well and provides a strong grip, but the plastic fasteners need lots of space. Fitting this to my naked Ducati Monster took a bit of creativity. Number 4. Quad Lock Motorcycle Fork Stem Mount. Anyone who rides a motorcycle with clip-on handlebars can feel shortchanged by the lack of bar space, but the Quad Lock Motorcycle Fork Stem Mount is here to help. This mount works with a quad lock case or universal case adapter and a patented dual-stage lock to ensure your phone isn't going anywhere. The fear with some mounts that require cases is that they can damage your phone's camera, but thankfully you can get an optional vibration dampener with this model, which I would recommend doing. The mount is compatible with stem tubes ranging from 12.7 to 24 mm, so it should fit just about any model on the market. Number 5. Roam Bike Phone Mount. If you're looking for a solid bang for your buck, the Roam Universal Phone Mount for Motorcycle is the best cheap and budget-friendly motorcycle phone mount for you. If you're looking for a budget-friendly phone mount for your motorcycle, the Roam Universal Phone Mount for Motorcycle is less than half the price yet still packs a number of benefits compared to the rest of the cheaply made products you'll find in this price range. Roam hasn't been around as long as Ram has, but in the short time their company has existed, they have gained some serious traction. That was our list of the top 5 best motorcycle phone mount in 2023 just for you.